Carburetes fairly decently, but it's a little off at low RPM. Okay, now that we got it dialed in, turn petcock off. Did you do the switch? Oh, this whole thing came unscrewed. Just switch.
You think they were using the thing that you straightened out as like a lock?
The problem is this nut doesn't fit this shaft. Is the problem. Okay, try kicking it now. See if it'll start. Now we got it dialed in. It might actually start.
Yes. You turn the gas off.
It's on. Turn the gas off.
Off?
Yes. I already got it full up. That's not how you kick a Harley. Tried. Half apart.
There we go.
Not really. That's the afterstroke.
That's what she said.
It's going to take some work on this one.
Maybe you should adjust the curve.
I did. Maybe you should kick it correctly.
I'm dying.
All right.
I'm done. I think it's warmed up for me.
What's that?
Is it all warmed up now?
Stop talking about me like that.
Okay, you bring it up big push. Got it fired?
Yeah.
Industrial shock.
Woo!
The damn bar so I can kick it.
Stroker. He's very big, but it goes pretty far.
So you kick it.
Woo!
See how it farts? When it's the farts, there's no more fire in that thing.
Woo! Need a heavy. Oh, there we go. Come on, Tatro.
Kick it like a mule.
This is for 50 more likes.
Haven't been starting my kicker bar race car too much lately.
Whoa. I've done that on this thing. It's fucking terrifying.
It's worse on Carburetor for some fucking reason.
Yeah. See that part we fired too early? It's kicking us right now. So we have to adjust the curve a little bit. Big work.
Good call, Robert.
Yeah. You know, thought about it.
Maybe.
And I just said it.
Thought about it and I said it.
Yeah.
That works.
Guys, take it easy.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you in for the night.
I don't know if you guys saw that.
You ever have action here? I'm just taking it out.
We wrote the book.
With you.
No, it's not gonna
Wrote the
start
book
there.
on dude hugs.
On dude line?
He
Yeah.
offered suit.
Too much
Love
timing
that.
too quickly.
Said he offered
I
suit.
have to play with that curve a little bit. Obviously, it's a lot of compression too you got to deal with. Big motors are hard to start. Pulled 80 cube at least, right? All right. Other than that, it runs pretty good. So you're gonna have to.
Somebody step on a duck.
Yeah, they did. So we found the needle up one notch. You see how much it took that flat spot out?
Yeah.
Fattening it up in there. The low speed jet might be okay the way it is because I unscrewed it about a turn on the idle mixture. It's probably about right. So when you start it up later on, you'll see how it runs again. Okay, now start it up. Let's see if the pull the clutch in, see if put it in gear, see if it takes off. The rear brake works if you push it.
What's that?
The rear brake works if you push it.
Shit.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hit it again. Battery's getting dead.
Yeah, that battery's done.
Yeah.
Good thing you got a kicker.
Yeah, just kick it.
Yeah. Kick it.
It's that easy.
Try it again.
I'll kick it for you. You need me to kick it?
Nah, try it again. You get that switch to work is the biggest
Yeah, the
problem.
switch is moving all over the place.
Switch is a piece of crap. Why do you keep on turning the switch on and off for?
It's spinning the whole mechanism.
Yeah, but the starter only works in one position. Works good. Hey, that almost started running backwards.
What's that?
I was running backwards probably. Yeah, it's on the backstroke. It's firing prematurely.
Normally happens with me too.
Firing prematurely too?
Yeah.
Let's see. If it crashes, it just jumps from over. Dragon. It's a dragon. A little bit.
Yeah, I wanted to pull.
How much free play you got in the lever up there?
What's that?
How much free play is in the lever? Anything? Nothing? That's just a worn out lever. How much free play is in it?
I don't know.
Well, that was worn out lever. That wasn't free play.
Probably not much. If it's lunging forward like that.
No, if you didn't have any, it'd be less pulling forward. You get more release out of it. We didn't
Wasn't
adjust
that doing it? That was doing that same thing with mine.
We didn't adjust that, so
Just need to back it out just
Smidgen.
just a hair.
more stuff to look at. Just need to go down the street and break it in, ride it.
Fucking do a burnout,
do
bro.
it, man.
You got all kinds of room to do a burnout. You got at least 30 feet before you hit something.
And your brakes work, so you're all good.
Yeah, I know you can slide for another 10 before you hit the fence. I don't see a problem. Look at you got all this room. You got right up there. Look at it, right up until you hit that taillight up there.
Oh yeah, that's not good.
So you only got 25 feet before you hit the trailer. Other than that, you're good. You're good to go. Yeah,
Alright.
perfect. You can always go this direction. And you
Yeah,
got
I'll
a
probably just back it
Ford
out.
truck hit and car, and you run a bike out there and another car and in the street. Yeah, perfect. You got tags on this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can ride it.
Yeah. Probably ride it over
You got
over
the
to
test.
Tomieto,
Yeah,
put it in the warehouse.
put it in the warehouse.
Yeah.
Light it off a couple times.
I can get this thing put back together.
Get back over there tomorrow and take it out a little bit.
So how much you got here in the clutch lever department?
We'll put it in the back of my truck.
Oh, you got a lot of free play in this. Look at all that. You didn't turn this bushing around yet either.
No.
See, that's all free play. You need to take that out.
Yeah.
Turn the handlebars. You hold them. Yeah, you didn't lose much. You got this thing strapped in here pretty tight. Why do you got two straps on this thing?
What's that?
You got two clamps on this thing. That makes the clutch work harder, not easier.
Every 20 miles.
So back down in here is where cylinder's a little warm. Oh, this is loose down here anyway. You never tighten it up. It's hot on my hand though when I do this. Boy, there's so much room under here.
We did. And there was still shit in it, apparently.
There we go.
So we
Yeah, the screw is loose back under there.
Which one?
The adjuster's loose. You got a lot of free play in this system. Here, hold on this.
it's got fucking, what is it? Baffles and shit.
A couple more turns out of it. There we go.
What did you adjust?
The adjuster.
Oh, okay. Down there.
Yeah, I took out about 4 or 5 turns already. I'm going to put half a turn back into it. The nut's not tight, it's just sitting there. It's going to vibrate and change on you because you're not tight.
I'll tighten it down.
Absolutely.
So that's maximum right there. Basically running about 0 free play. When you got a cable all tight, it's hard to tell because the cable binds up a lot. You got free play in here that you can't feel because the cable's just twisting all over the place. So I don't see a problem with all this. Alright.
Dude,
Move that board out of the way.
find someone that does all that.
Goofy handlebars on this bike.
Right?
Throw the fucking
It's in gear.
there, button it up, fucking throw it on the brake shake for like 5 minutes. That's fuck everything up.
Now you can ride this bike. Goofy feet out.
Dude, it's gonna be loud as shit though. Goes fast.
Brake sucks. Handlebars even worse.
There's a lane splitting handlebars there.
Nah, no they're not.
Go fast in
So I
between
move the
cars.
lever up so you can actually pull it. Instead of going like this for it.
Yeah. It's not the most comfortable
You
position.
gotta put your hand straight out, the lever should be hitting, I'm still too low. So we move it up even higher. There. So the clutch kinda works. Kinda, sorta, maybe. Here's the dog. Your tire's been on the ground now. You got a brake fluid on the tire right there. That's why it was sliding. Look at that. That's why I was getting a little squirrely to take it off.
It wasn't because you were revving real high.
Yeah, it wasn't the burn.
No, it wasn't the fact I turned the throttle on and dropped the clutch or any of that. No, it had nothing to do with it.
Fuck
It
no.
was that spot on the side of
And the wet spot on my boot up there makes the brake work better too, so that's fine. Yeah. All right, that's it for now. Next thing is go right down the street and hit something, or have fun. One of the two.